Okay, now I'm live on YouTube at least, so that's pretty good. Or it says live.
Okay, I'll check.
I will change the Twitch server. Then I will have to get the Twitch API real quick. Or the API, what the primary key? I always what do I call it? I don't know. Stream key, boom. Okay.
Yeah, your YouTube is fine.
Yeah. And now Twitch should start. Weird I didn't save it from last time. It's whatever. Now I can take it over to here. I don't know what happened. It's just I think when I disabled the
Disabled. Your mic broke a little while you were saying that.
like I don't know, maybe it's the cable that's broken or something like that. Every time I move the microphone, it has a chance to break.
Yeah, I have it like that on my headphones, but it's more about the rotation of the cable.
Okay. Okay. Fuck. I want to move it a bit more. Okay. And then I want to put this over here. I want to take the chat pop-up. Yes. Put it over. This is gonna be fun. Yeah, I don't know what's up with Twitch, but Twitch be fucking up.
Twitch be twitching.
Twitch be twitching. Where was I with the? Did the live session stop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can start a new one. It's not hard.
Yeah. I want to take this thing with me over there.
Okay, I'm back.
Yo, perfect. Lucas just fixed his setup.
Yeah, crazy, right?
You're nice. Whoa, did anything happen while I was gone?
Nah. Well, a lot did happen, but not important. It was more like Lucas died, got bread.
I got corn.
Oh, you got bread.
Lucas died.
Yeah, I got toast.
I put
Also a new live session.
Oh yeah.
But yeah,
So wait, are we still like doing the extension
I'm done with
animation, or?
that, I think.
Okay. So the next thing would be doing the thing with the Vulkan handle and the session.
I guess. Well, the session is done. It's just the Vulkan handle.
Did you open instance and session?
We have an instance and we have the session. We only need the Vulkan binding.
Okay.
Now, explain to me how.
Oh, I don't ask. Why can't I not join the fucking
Yeah,
live
I'm wondering
session?
that also.
Wait, you're both trying to join multiple times here now. What the fuck?
What? Okay.
Did you get in now?
Like, I always.
Oh, I am.
You
I think I got in. I don't know, man. It's buggy, so.
So.
There's literally just. Oh, now it was loading. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean.
Mm.
Wait, am I in?
Am
Not
I?
sure.
At the top, how does that array thing work?
Which one? The active extensions. That's it's a dynamic array.
But how?
We don't have these kinds of words in C. What is a dynamic
What is a
array?
It's
dynamic array?
an array where you can change the size. Yeah, it's just an array. It's not in the standard library.
Yeah, no. Bro, I cannot join. I just restart my Visual Code Studio thing.
No, engine is misinformation if you're using any functions as like an API that's technically an engine. I don't know, man.
I don't know.
I don't know if that is an engine. That's more like a framework.
I mean, I'm not gonna start
Or
writing
just once,
my
yeah,
own.
if you look at an operating system.
I need to write my own. I need to actually handcraft my own. What's it called? Graphics card. I think he meant this as a joke, though. Still.
Yeah.
He must have believed.
Yeah.
No. It's super serious. Everything is serious. No jokes. at all.
Yo, I think I'm actually in the live session.
Yo.
Congrats.
Mm. Okay. Okay, but explain this dynamic array, as you call it.
You press. Well, you can do like add the array, and then you initialize it with an allocator, and then you can do like append.
No, but wait,
And
I'm talking about this
add an
thing.
element.
Request instance extensions. What is like? You take the address of a, I don't know what the fuck that is.
It's a pointer. Well, it's not a pointer. It's an array where we don't. Well, we want it to infer the size. That's what the underscore is.
Okay, so we could also put 2.
You see that? You could put 2, but don't. We don't do that. Okay.
Okay, so it's
It's
just.
inferred.
Okay, so it just. But how does it know?
Because it can read. It's like 1, 2.
Okay.
Okay, this is 2. Boop.
Can we just put 2?
Yeah. No, you don't do that in C.
Wait, Harold. I need your help real quick.
Okay.
You're the code. Bro. You know, I think I'm in the session right now. You see, here's Harold and everything. But for files, I think this is the old workspace. You know, I don't have anything here.
Yeah, you have to do a new URL, I think. You think it may be connected to the old one? Or, I don't know.
Yeah, we used the
I have no clue.
No, it's a new one. Right.
Okay, but Lucas, continue.
Mm-hmm. Then the
So
second
you want to know?
the second parenthesis.
That just means it's a null terminated string. Like this, colon 0 means it's null terminated
Okay, and what if
because
you?
this will be used in C. So
Okay, so
Wait, Lucas, can you stream because I'm not in the session? I know, and I'm
yeah,
not seeing anything.
here's stream Lucas.
you're still struggling to get in.
Like, I think I am in, but I don't see any code.
But
Oh,
disconnect.
and then it's just like us. We don't have any real code over here.
But okay, wait.
I don't even see fake code.
How does? Okay, so that null terminates. So what happens if you put? Can we show you? Can you show me a example like? Because I'm like. How could you use this in another way? Like, what is the purpose of actually like?
Having a null terminator.
No, like that thing. Like, can you utilize it for other things as well? Like, I don't think. Like,
Yeah, any kind of string really that you want to be able to be read in C.
Okay, but wait. So this is actually just one whole string. It's a char pointer. This whole thing.
No. It's
What it's.
it's a pointer to a sharp pointer. It's an array
Mm-hmm.
of strings that are null terminated.
So it's an array of char pointers
You could say that, yeah.
that are on that thing makes every single one of them null terminated when you put it at the.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, then it makes sense, kind of, I think. And what if you
Yeah.
put 1:0?
1:0. I don't know. I think that's just invalid.
Oh,
Well, no, there is. Well, the thing is, the array syntax in SIG is like kind of weird, and I always forget it. It has a bunch of useful things, but yeah,
damn. Okay,
That's
but okay. I will read the next thing what we're supposed to do.
you can do that. I'm gonna check what that does.
Yeah, while you do that, I will read this thing. First time you get the count of the API layers, the extension. Second, fill out the array structure. This is called the to-call idiom. Before the second call, we need to set type or type to the correct value so that the second call can correctly fill out the data. After we enumerated API layers and extend, use the nested loop to check the see whether API layers or extension is available and add it to the inactive API layers and or okay. Explicit input in both. In OpenXR, we provide an explicit input capacity to both enumerate API layer and which provides an additional layer of memory safety. Enumerate instance extension also allow you to query instance extensions by API layer name. In this tutorial, we would just query non-layer extensions that are implicitly loaded by the runtime. This is a subtle difference here from the to-call item in the Vulkan API. Yeah, because it's like, wait, don't we do that? Oh wait, so wait, you do it all here. Get available extensions. Okay, let's see. And I hate this.
That's just a function I made.
It doesn't. When I hover the thing, it
It's at the
doesn't.
bottom.
What?
It's at the bottom.
Yeah, but I wanted to see what it returns.
Yeah, you might have to get another SIG extension. I think you may have gotten the bad one. Wait, go to extensions. It's just an extension, bro. It's not very deep. Okay, do like SIG.
Sig. Yeah, what's up, Ares?
Then
Oh.
you want the SIG language. It's like the fourth one.
Do you disable then this old one?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, so what did you guys do?
Nothing really. I just explained how arrays work in SIG.
Yeah. They weird.
Nah, they're pretty good when you understand them.
They weird.
You're weird. Get home.
How do I become number one? I don't know how this works. How does it become number one?
It's the more you type in the chat.
The more you type in the
get
chat.
XP.
Are you monetized yet? No, I'm not monetized yet. How did I miss that important message? I will be one day. I hope. That's the goal, right? I think now having more problems with what are the shortcuts to increase the. That's what how you zoom. How do I? That's not how you do that. How do I?
Control plus.
No. How do I expand? Move the thing more to the left. Bet blah blah blah. Blah. Okay.
There is no keybind for that.
There
You
is.
just do it with your mouse.
No, because I can't.
You mean
The mouse
Control B?
broke. The mouse broke. The mouse sucks.
The mouse. Did your mouse? Nah, your mouse is fine, bro.
The mouse broke. All right. Manage windows. Maximum windows. To say resize inwards. There. Shift resize outwards. Super R. All right. Super R. Yeah. Okay. And then I can do this. Ah. There. That's the thing I wanted. Okay,
Why don't you just have
shut up.
the VS Code on a new workspace?
Shut.
Bro, you're stupid.
This thing doesn't work either. Doesn't show me what it returns when I hover it. Maybe I need to do a
Where to be?
reload.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Or maybe you don't really. Well, I don't know. Live session is like super broken with syntax highlighting.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
The shit doesn't work at all for me. That's why I have like a separate one.
Turning your famousness into my famousness is so crazy. Am I right, boys? But
Yeah,
you
you're so famous.
so you do a allocator here. You pass it in to get available extensions, which is this one here. You have the allocator. What the what is this middle thing here? Oh, that's the return. Okay. And it
Yeah,
can.
which is like it can be an error
Okay.
with that, and then it's an array of the extension properties.
Okay. Then instance. Okay. And then you have the. Okay. And then. There. Okay. And then extensions. Try array list. What the fuck is that? Okay. Then you pass in.
That's like a dynamic array.
Wait. So this is also the. You already have. Wait. No. What is? No, this is just a type, right? It's not an actual variable yet. This is just a type, right? Yeah. Right?
No, that is a variable because well, the array list is the one at the top. The like return. That's a type.
But how?
Yeah.
Factory reset. No. Wait, but how is it? How is that a variable? Because it's like you don't pass in anything here.
Are you guys still in
The
Epi
elevator.
instance extensions thingy?
Yeah, I just want to figure
Yeah.
out how
Yeah.
Sig works before we continue.
Oh no, I know what you mean. Oh no. You can create variables in the function scopes.
What the fuck? So.
Yeah, bro, this isn't C. This ain't C, bro.
So this is both the type and the variable in itself.
No, that's just the type.
Okay, so then it's a type.
Well, like the extensions, the variable inside of the function, that's a variable because we assign it, you know.
But where?
Why do you pass it to the array list?
Because it's a generic type.
Where does it come from?
Wait, so the array list takes a type as an argument.
What do you mean?
Wait, what does it? Why can I?
The array list is a generic type.
Yeah, and the first argument, the X are extension properties.
Yeah, that's what
That's-
we have in that.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, then I understand.
Recommend enabling sort of for better editing experience. Yes.
Oh, you haven't. Okay.
Lucas, can you maybe restart your live coding thing, because I don't know, it's not working for me.
Try relaunching VS Code.
I already did that like 3 times. Yeah, I don't know. I googled the error and I think it's actually because the host, like, I don't know, has something.
Okay. Well, I will restart code myself. So, yeah, let's do that.
I will do it myself.
I will do it myself. Okay, let's start code again. And I think I have to restart the session. And I will...
Yep.
Actually, I prefer to have it... This one with it. Like, I like having them in the same... Fuck! Like this. Not like this! Not like this! Go away! Okay. Okay, now this thing work again. Okay, let's code together, start session, start. Copy that, and then I will send it to you guys. There, boom. Okay, Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now, now you can see actually what it also translates all of these to. Ah. Okay. Now this makes sense. Okay, and then get available. So it returns a struct of XR extension properties array, which. Okay, so you don't pass anything in, and an extension is equal to. Okay, so this okay, now this makes sense. Yes, and then you can see here, yeah, it's a generic. Okay, so it takes in. Now I actually need to do it like this, and then from here, this is the return type. Yes. This is an actual. Aha! Look at that. Yeah, this makes sense. Okay. Except for this part, but we don't care about that. Have you defined it somewhere? This is a
It's
C
here.
import. Okay.
It's in the C import.
Okay.
It translates C. The C import is translates C.
Okay. Then we init capacity and then allocator and this size that it just got from before.
Init capacity. That basically makes an array with that size. If you make it used with the init function, it will create a capacity that is very large, so you append, so you don't have to because asking for memory is expensive.
So wait, this is
it's
the
just hidden stuff.
this is the extension part that we're supposed to look at. I'm just, what is the equivalent here?
Yeah.
But this one just
Well, this is the available extensions.
extension.
I don't know, but you don't have to it's done.
You know, I just want to understand how Seek works, bro. I just want to know how Seek works. It's so weird. It's just a different syntax, right? Okay, but okay. So then you basically, how does it know? Okay, so it's capacity. It just does it multiply this by the count size. Oh, so you tell how many of these ones you want in there. Ah, okay. And then, yeah, so now you have an array list aligned structure. What the fuck? Sure. And these are your extensions.
The
not
type
yet.
is,
Wait, but this cannot be...
yeah.
Okay, so now you go... Okay, this is a for... Is this a for each loop? What is this?
Yeah, basically. Though that stuff is kind of useless. I'm gonna change that.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. That's why I got confused. What the fuck? Okay, so entry...
It's a for each though, yeah.
Okay, so extension... Wait, but you don't have... Okay, so... Okay, then use mem0 for each entry what is dot multiply?
Yeah, we just create a 0.
Well,
the dot there is just the reference as the pointer.
Ah, it's in the wrong way.
Well, in Sig it's the other way.
The wrong way. And
This
then
way is a lot better.
and then you
No,
say
it's better.
pizza. Tame underscore pizza. Entry dot type equals CXR extension properties. Oh, so you get. Wait, how isn't this incorrect?
No, why?
Because wait. Oh no, you say the type is an extension. Okay, no, never mind. Forget. I'm crazy. Then you do enumerate, and then you do the same thing that you did at the top. That's why I got confused. Yeah. And then you pass in pointer. Whew, boy, it's sick. It's gonna be crazy to read and try to understand.
Pointer cast is just casting it's not really much to say.
But it's just. But where do you say? Tell it what it's casted to.
It knows, but
It
sometimes
knows?
you have to do as. Yeah, because it knows from the the parameter it is in. It knows what type.
So it reads from here.
Yeah.
Wow, what is this?
What is what? It's Sig.
So wait.
Tells
But
me
Harold, then after this function, we still need to loop over the available extensions, right?
Where does it?
Haven't I done that though?
Properties.
Yeah, I've done
It's this one, but is this the type?
Yeah, that's the type.
What the fuck is this type?
And this type, because C is so trash, this one is basically saying that this is either, well, okay, you see the, well, now you have only one, but the array version that is in that thing has like the star and then C, which means it's a C array, but a C array can also use, well, a C pointer is also just a C array, because they're both the same.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about it, it's just C stuff.
But how do you enumerate? How does this? Wait. No, because if you what the fuck? How do you? Oh, so it knows it inside of this one. It just iterates for these many times, and then it knows the pointer size, so it knows which.
Well, it can know the pointer size based on the type.
I was just thinking like how.
Oh wait, that's an you iterate over that.
The properties should be a pointer of extension properties struct for C++. I don't know how Zig works.
Sig is just an array, so yeah. But like a pointer in C or C++ is an array also.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay,
Basically,
but
you need to when you put it in that function, it fills that array of extension properties.
yeah, and then because all of them
Yeah.
are the same size, and you just say how many counts, it knows how much to move forward to fill in the information.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Also, this code is very unreadable, but that's just because, well, it's not unreadable, but it's kind of bad just because it's interacting with C. Like, normal Sig is super clean, but when it comes to C, then it's, nah. C is the issue of Sig, what can you say? Anyways.
Okay, so then it makes sense. Okay, I'm on you. And okay, a little bit of sense it's starting to make. It's so interesting.
Oh yeah, and then this is the iteration over it. Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
So now we got these ones, and then we have active extensions. What the?
It's another one of these dynamic arrays,
Okay.
but this one has strings inside instead.
Okay. Then so now we have. Okay, and then you want the D in it. Okay. And let's see. What is this? What does this pipe?
It's like that's like a capture. It's like a for each, and that's the variable that you get out.
Oh, so you go through each of these, and then they all are called this requested. Ah, okay, I see now. And then.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Available extensions, and then you have another for loop here where you say they just called prop, and is this like pointer now in this case?
Yeah, which
Yeah.
also means we can change it.
Oh, okay. And what the fuck? For each available
that's so
extension
crazy.
name, and then you what is a span? Takes a sentiment.
so memory.
What? Iterate over the memory to find the sentinel and determine the length pointers attributes such as. What? Okay, this one is. What?
I think it just finds the like. That's basically how you read a null terminated string. Because the null terminated strings don't have a length, I don't believe. So that's why you have to do span. Basically to get out the normal sig string from us, whatever. Yeah.
So you get a sig string from C with this.
I think that's how it is.
Alright. And then you check that if alright, name is equal to requested, okay, and then try active append. Okay, so you try to, and then found is true, you break, and then if not found, then you failed, okay, and then you try the next one, okay, and then you will have activated extensions, and then we can go, where do where are the extensions? They should be here. Requested instance extension. Well, I guess you can use them, but shouldn't you use the actual activated extent? No, well, they are the same if you get to that point. Right?
Yeah, they're the exact same.
Yeah.
Like the
Yeah.
active ones is basically used to check.
Yeah.
Can't really put all that in a subscope.
And then instance, and then you try to create it, and then you defer, destroy it, and then system inf. What the fuck? System info xr system create type system get info check, and then you create system, and then from form factor head mount display. Oh, okay, so this is for that thing. Okay, I assume I know what that is. Is that just the actual head, the VR headset, or I don't know, something to do with that? I assume. I'm not sure.
Which one? What?
Don't worry about
Yeah.
the mount display, head mounted display. Graphics binding X. Hello, Codcraft. Let's see. Graphics binding Vulkan Chronos. Graphics binding. Why? Oh, so you just create an empty struct. Okay. Yeah, okay. And then there's
Yeah, the binding thing though doesn't work yet. I've not done that. We have to fix that. That's the only thing left, I think, kinda.
Okay.
Also IO stuff, but
Okay. Then let's
So wait, if you run it now, does it like?
it won't run because it can't find the Vulkan binding.
Okay, but let's get to the next part. So we have this difference. I'm hearing myself from someone.
Yeah, now,
You
but
guys
if you run it,
Yeah.
shouldn't it get
Binding
errors?
Vulkan or something.
No,
What do you mean by Vulkan binding?
There's a Vulkan binding we need. Like not a binding for a language, but like
graphics everything.
but
What?
Of the common folder. Are you talking about that?
No.
No.
This,
it's a struct we need
Oh,
for interacting with Vulkan.
it was in a header.
Yeah, in the common folder, there's the C++ version, but we can't use it. Like,
What
Because-
header does that use? I need to know the headers because I can't find
It's-
this.
it's in Graphics API Vulkan and Graphics API. Like these are the headers. Where it's...
Yeah.
But the thing is, the Graphics API Vulkan is just the entire, like not the entire, but like a simple pipeline. Like all, it's like 1,000 lines.
Nice.
For now, just go from the tutorial. You will get.
Yeah.
You will probably understand what's going on later.
there's several different.
For now, just make the instance creation thingy. For now.
We have that.
Which is helpful when filling. We can do it just since we have assemble all of the necessary information. I didn't follow the create instance method. Yeah, so now we have also this we have done. This section is fairly simple. We have used the previous collected data and assigned it to the member in the X instance create info structure. Then we call create where we took pointers to the, okay, so this is just then what we did. At the end of the app, we should destroy the X XR instance with destroy instance. But I think you already made it the third, right? This one, the XR instance, right?
Okay, I know
Yeah.
why we don't have the graphics binding for Vulkan. We have to enable a define.
Okay, now like you do it with hashtag cdefine add cdefine, right? Something
Yeah,
like that.
it's
I'm wondering, it has an OpenXR check that you try to destroy the instance and then you fail to destroy. Well, we do have an extra instance.
The check is a macro that checks if it failed or not.
yeah, that's
Then
kind of
it's
my thing also, like XR check, our function at the top.
Yeah, but
That's the same thing.
also for trying to destroy the instance.
I know, but just ignore that. I mean, who cares?
I was like,
I'll fix that later.
if it fails, well, I guess we can't really do anything from this point, so just well, we do have an XR instance. Let's check its properties. Add the following code to the get instance property method. Instance properties. Okay, so that just tells, okay, the first thing to be type instance properties, open check, get instance properties, runtime, XR version, major, minor, patch. Here we have the initialize the XR instance properties with a correct XR struct type and pass it doing with the XR instance to the get instance properties. This will fill the rest of the structure. Next we logged out of the runtime name and using the XR version macros we parsed and logged in the runtime version. What? XR instance properties. I mean, I guess we could. Do we want to do something like this?
Do what?
And this thing, I don't really understood it. Like, why would you even want to do this? Is this relevant for us? Here we
I
have.
don't think so.
Yeah. Maybe it's just to check cool things out, but I think it's okay. XR
Validation layers. Yeah.
Utils is an instance extension for OpenXR which allows the application to get more information on errors, warnings, and messages raised by the runtime. You can specify which messages, severities, and types are checked. If a debug message is raised, it's passed to the to the callback function, which can be optionally used. The user data pointer provides in XR debug utils messenger create info x structure. The messages services are verbose, output all messages, info. Okay, I guess this is maybe later, not now. See also debug messages, organization, no, specific. Copy the following code into create debug messenger and destroy message.
Okay, well now we have the Vulkan binding.
What did you do?
What did you do? I included Vulkan and like changed the define. Those kind of.
Oh wait, in the build that sync or what? What did you do?
Both build and main. As you can go up in main. And you can
Well,
look at the top.
I'm following your cursor, so I
See.
see where you're going.
Oh yeah, I see.
Huh.
You see that XR use graphics API Vulkan 1. That's to define, so the OpenXR platform actually uses that. And then we have to include Vulkan. And also the order of those do matter, so don't touch, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, very important.
Okay.
Touch.
Let's see. Copy the following code into create debug messenger. Okay, but that's a function that we do not have. Yeah. Let's see. Check that XR debug utils is in the active instance extension. If isString in vector, well, I guess we don't need to do that because. Oh wait. mdebug utils messenger create open XR debug utils messenger from I think. Oh wait, open XR debug utils, but this is. Yeah, it's this thing. So it's. But this one.
We don't do those.
But this one is.
Okay.
This one is just functions and structs, right? So we could use this one.
But we don't need to.
Okay. We could.
That shit is useless.
Harold,
Yeah.
We do have a struct though, but did you already pass in the handle for Vulkan thing, or?
No, I haven't done anything with the Vulkan binding. I've just made it actually exist.
Sorry.
Okay.
Which we use to create extra instance. Next we call the create option to the function at the end of the. Another feature of OpenX is the API layers, which may also assist you in debugging. You can read more about them, chapter 6.3. 2.1, obtaining the system ID. That one you have also done already, right? The next object we want to get is the XR system ID. According to the system in the OpenXR spec, OpenXR separates the concept of physical system of XR devices from logical objects that the application interacts with directly. A system represents a collection of related devices in runtime, often made up of several individual hardware components working together to enable XR experience. So an XR system ID could represent a VR headset and a pair of controller, or perhaps a mobile device with video pass-through for AR, so we need to decide what type of XR form factor we want to use, as some runtime support multiple forms factors. Here we are selecting XR form factor mounted. Okay, so this one you also did. OpenXR currently offers two options.
Harold, you see that there's a function called XR get Vulkan instance extensions KHR?
XR, well...
Like, I think we need to now look what extensions Vulkans needs to run with OpenXR.
Well, that's the thing now. We have
You
to
just need the Vulkan enable extension. That's it for Vulkan.
yeah, but we also have... Well, to continue now, we have to just do a bunch of Vulkan stuff, because the Vulkan binding needs like the device, instance, and some stuff.
So now we have to make the actual Vulkan thing.
Yep.
Hello?
But OpenXR is basically done. Hello?
Yeah, I don't know, my computer just froze. Add the following code to the get system method.
There are so many stuff about OpenXR to do.
Get the extra system ID from the instance. How did you get the system ID?
I did some stuff. Just sit there. My
There.
cursor is on the line.
Yeah.
You will get system properties like
Also because it's Control B.
Control B?
Okay, well that's stupid. Doesn't work. Well, too bad. I was like, if you wanted to hide the file, the trio. Oh, okay. Yeah.
No, I like having it open. But thanks. Here we have filled. Why is my thing so laggy? What the fuck? Here we have filled out the XR system and get infrastructure with the desired X form factor and pass it as a pointer along with the XR instance pointer to XR system. Call successful XR will be with the above code we can have also got the system properties. We've probably filled the XR structure and passed in this pointer along. Okay, but I think this function will fill out the rest of. Do we have the XR system graphics properties, tracking properties, and system properties
As extensions.
No, the structs in themselves. This should actually, if you run this, should tell us that if we have a valid. Let's see. I'm just gonna full screen now. Okay. So wait, you get the system info, system ID, graphics binding Vulkan, space reference. Yeah, no, we don't have this done. Okay, but do we need them? Let's see.
I don't know, when I run that shit, it just breaks because it doesn't find the XR extensions, because I don't have VR or anything, so.
Here we have filled out the XR system get infrastructure with the
And maybe can Lucas try to run it?
yeah, just a moment. Form factor. Wait, where do we have the? Yeah, here. Okay, good. I just
Your form factor is a head-mounted display. It counts as head-mounted display.
Yeah, it's in the code already.
Yeah.
You won't have handheld display. It's not a phone. Handheld display is phone.
Hand.
Yeah, I don't know. Like this code should work. It should be fine.
Wait. Handheld. This. What did you say?
It means phone. Phone VR. VR of the phone. Not
You know, when
head-mounted.
you can buy like a cardboard thing and you can put your phone in it and you can have it as a
Not
video.
only that, also for AR. You know AR.
Yeah.
Augmented
Sure.
reality.
Yeah.
OpenXR supports that too. So, yeah, you won't use that. You need hand-mounted display.
Yeah. Okay.
Which one do they have?
Yeah. Okay. Proper structured best. Okay. But now these ones with the above code we all have also got system properties. We can partially fill out the XR system property structure and pass it as pointer along with the system properties function. This function will fill out the rest of the detail on the vendor's ID, the system name, and the system graphics and tracking properties. Okay, so this above code
You
is
want that? Okay.
excerpt from the. You can now run the. Okay, wait. So this is just. We don't need this. It's just telling that this exists.
It's good for if we're actually gonna do stuff with Vulkan, we might need some of that information.
Yeah, swap chain height,
Yes.
width, probably.
But you need to get the system ID and stuff for stuff. Other
We
stuff.
have system ID.
Yeah. Okay. Well then. So this thing should. Let's see. At least for this part, I don't know about this graphics binding. Well, it doesn't really run anything. You just initialize all of this stuff, so it's not really a problem. So yeah.
Well,
okay.
it will try to kill itself, but yeah.
Okay, bruh. So how do we? Let's see if I go to CD projects, LS Wallenstein. Okay. So how do I just run this first to begin with? Was it
Sig build run.
Sig build run? I don't have my headset plugged in, but just want to see how far it goes with this. Okay. We are you the unknown type in properties. What? Try get available extension.
Yeah, that's what I get also, but it's also because you don't have your VR headset plugged in.
Okay, I'm gonna plug
Like the
in.
extensions don't exist because you don't have anything.
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna plug them in.
I'm excited if it works.
Nah, probably not. Like it will probably be like some epilepsy shit, so it murders Lucas, and no one's gonna be able to. Yeah, I bet he's gonna die from this project, to be honest.
Like you guys just get electroshocked with the headset.
Yeah. Electrocuted. Yeah.
Then
What is the error?
Alright. Do you have to
start?
start?
Nah, nothing. Yeah, you can start.
Okay. Do I also have to
Why
start Steam
is that not
VR?
real?
Yeah, you do need to start Steam VR, and you also have to export a variable telling OpenXR, hey, this is my VR runtime.
Wait, what? Export a what kind of variable?
I don't know. You have to ask AI.
I don't want to ask AI. Gemini. What should I ask it to begin with? I don't even know.
What is the system variable on Arch Linux for VR runtime?
extra runtime JSON. Yo,
It's
what's
what?
that? What's up, Mystic on VR? And I have. Oh, here's something more like. Or for Steam VR. Okay, that's a Monado, whatever that is. But here's something more maybe relevant. But can it be a whole JSON file for? That's.
Apparently.
How do you know about this, anyways? Like, what? What?
I know.
Okay. Well, last time I started Steam, my whole thing just died. So. Let's see. I'm just gonna start Steam without the XCB this time, and hopefully it will run. Maybe it won't, and then, well, that will not be funny. Yeah. Okay.
Is he gonna break his entire computer?
Yes, I'm gonna disable my my desktop streaming, and hopefully it won't break it. So let's see. If it even starts, that's the question. It usually don't start when I do it like this, but let's see. Okay, it started actually. Holy fuck. I don't know. Did it start? I got a few errors. At least, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, because this application failed to start, but it started anyways. I don't know, but okay. Let's see if I enable desktop. Okay, the stream is still on. I think I need to do this every time. I'm gonna check my VR headset real quick. Oh, yes. Oh, not the controller. Oh, okay, it's actually running. Holy fuck. Yo. Okay, but it's not our application, it's SteamVR. Anyways. So now I need to export something. This thing?
Yeah, like a variable.
That's some crazy shit that I have no idea why. Variable text the highest priority.
OpenXR must know what is the runtime.
Can it be that Lucas stream in Discord froze?
No, I don't think so. It's just his on his VR.
What? And
I don't know.
no.
Lucas, are you doing stuff right now with your main monitor?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You can only see.
Yeah,
I forgot about that. I should have stopped this stream as well. Haha. Lol. My whole system is going to die soon. Haha.
Great.
Wait. Do you guys now see, or is it just loading? Or do you guys
It's
see it?
loading.
Yeah, it's probably dead. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not. You have to see the actual YouTube stream. I think that one works because I disabled
Which is better.
Watch the Twitch stream then. Yes. I'm trying
Maybe
to.
Twitch is dead, or I have to reload.
Yeah, but for me YouTube works.
Okay, good.
Twitch
But
works.
it's super delayed.
Yeah.
But
If you say something, Lucas.